Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare a good work instruction. So what is work instruction? Work instruction is basically a step-by-step instruction prepared by a company to help workers carry out their routine operations. For example, running a bandsaw, running forklift, and a good work instruction is always clear so that everyone can understand. And also a good work instruction is visual, and also it should be accessible. Anybody should be able to see it basically, and also it should be credible. Only the person who knows things should make it. Also it should be simple, easy, short and consistent. So guys, I have created a simple work instruction template through the Word document. You can use other software such as Excel or PowerPoint to create work instruction as well, but for this tutorial I have used Word document, and I have tried to make it as simple as possible so that everyone can understand. So in this simple work instruction template, here is a company logo on the header. So you can just put your company logo, picture of your company, and then after that, on the top right hand side or left hand side, it really doesn't matter, it's your choice. So you can put work instruction title, for example, how to operate bandsaw or how to drive a forklift, and then the category will be work instruction, or you can create your own category. And then you can write these kind of things in your work instruction. For example, to be carried out only by the person trained and authorized to perform this task. So and if you highlight them in red, then people's eyes will go on those sentences, so that you can avoid any safety risk. And then after that, you can write purpose of your work instruction, for example, to provide instruction on how to drive a forklift or how to operate a particular machine. And then after that, you have to write PPE required. PPE means personal protective equipment required. So either you can just write the name of PPE, or you can insert the picture of those PPE, for example, gloves, boots and safety glasses. And then after that, it's better if you list the hazards, cautions or dangers related to the operation of that particular work instruction. For example, if this work instruction is on how to operate bandsaw, then it could be, the danger could be injury, or maybe could be cutting your finger. And then equipment required obviously would be bandsaw and maybe blade, and some other equipment as well. And training requires maybe manual handling, or safe operation of bandsaw, and there could be some other trainings as well. And then after that, you always have to list quality assurance requirements. So for example, it could be something like always keep the equipment clean and do not put the products on floor, back to shelf. And then after that, you have to write a detailed procedure which should be very simple, so it can have several subheadings, and then the step 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So in step 1, you can just write the statement something like plug in the machine and then provide a picture. So remember guys, work instructions should always be visual and it should be very simple. And I prefer work instruction to be in direct speech. For example, plug in the machine rather than machine should be plugged. So direct speech always provides easier instructions, and direct instructions. And also you can put the warning signs in red. For example, here warning signs such as ensure that hand is dry when plugging in. And similarly, you can put other work instructions. Here I have shown few work instructions, or few instructions only, but depending on your work instruction, it can be many steps, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And you can also have subheading depending on the need. So it really depends on your work instruction. And at the end, You can provide a statement such as, when things goes wrong, maybe immediately inform your manager or immediately inform your safety managers, and something like that. So it's really your choice. And for a document control, you can provide the number of work instruction, version, and page, and also safety slogans such as safety first or something like that. So for a better document control, and you can keep it safely somewhere in your computer.